Okay, got reinforcements. Look at the camera, Grady. My 16-year-old grandson, this is his third day. I believe with a wire feed machine, he's doing pretty good. Go ahead, Grady, I'll get you a little shot. Where are you?
I'm on this rib right here at the, about halfway.
Okay.
All right.
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm rolling. There it is. Metal turns red over here. Pretty good penetration, I bet. Welding those hat channels up underneath so they don't flop and carry on going down the road. Yeah. All right, you got it, man.
I think I went a little too high up on the hat thing, so I'm gonna just tack it up right here.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Those little pliers are down there by that nibbler.
What the heck?
There you go. All right, well, looking good.
Perfect.
What I'm working on today is I've got that lid that was on the storage compartment. And I've got a bunch of scrap pieces. I've already cut one. I'm gonna put these in there, box that in, and then set the lid. I was able to save the hinges. Hinges still work amazingly. The lid not too bad. Everything else on it was rusted out, rotted out. I'm gonna save these two big seat hinges in case I find a Jeep seat frame or something that I can put back in there. But that's what I'm working on this morning before it gets too hot. That old sun is already out and it's fixing to come over the top of my shop. So here. Well. Okay, here I go. All right, we got the frame ready. These little bitty flanges are sticking down a tiny bit too much, so I'm gonna just whack them off. Cut off a little tiny piece and it's probably hot. All right, that's all I'm doing. Making that lid fit. All righty, I'm see how this fits in here. Chevy, I think I can deal with that, kind of get it in the center. weld that on there. And we'll in business. Okay. What did Hannibal say? I love it when a plan comes together. Well, I'm not completely through with the welding, but I'm going to prime a bunch of stuff that we are through with. It's been raining almost every afternoon, and this will have to do it all over again. This rattle can is just for the priming. I've got some marine boat paint that I'm going to actually paint with. When the time comes for today, just touching up a bunch of this stuff. In fact, I don't want to go right across here because still got a weld, cut the weld a piece of sheet down here across the back. Just a little paint. This is just the primer. All right, I will continue with my painting. It's a new day. I think it's the 23rd. I think it's the 23rd of September. Little rattle can. Just making it beautiful. How much fun can you have? Like the low butt garage guy says, if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. Well, sometimes I do it wrong, and yeah, I've got other stuff to patch up, but for now, it's gonna have to do. I'm gonna enjoy it a little bit, and then continue working on it after I catch up. All right, I'm going to attempt to lay it over, and then stand it up on the driver's side so I don't have to bend over. Get these gloves on. Okay, here we go. I hope this is a one-time job. There. Pretty solid. Blow a bunch of that stuff out of there. Close. So we gotta get it back this way. Probably hang it up on roots, what have you. Okay, back straight, butt low. Dead burn. This rain is not conducive. I was out there working on that hood, and this is shutting me down for a while. Okay, a new day. I think the 25th. The project, first thing off this morning is this old big ugly hole. I just about got the thing ready to paint, but this ugly hole, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. So I'll be buffing around it and see what I got to work with.